Unpopular money truths that will change your life. Most people think they know money, but these 5 truths will challenge everything. First, buying a home is not always smart. It ties up cash, limits flexibility, and keeps you in debt for decades. Renting and investing can make you wealthier. Second, saving money makes you poorer. Inflation reduces its value while banks pay low interest. The key is investing in assets that grow. Third, retirement at 60 is outdated. Why work for decades only to enjoy life when you're old? Financial freedom is about assets, not age. Fourth, your job won't make you rich. Relying only on a salary limits your potential. The wealthy build multiple income streams and invest. Fifth, college degrees are overrated. Success depends more on skills, networking, and experience than on a diploma. Which one do you agree with? Let's discuss. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on mastering your finances. And always remember, I want you to make better financial decisions.